Hi there and welcome to the Computer Coach. I'm Himayet and hope you are all fine and feeling well. In the last video, we talked about the view, right click pop-up menu view. So today we're gonna talk about how to order our icons. Okay, we can order the icon in different ways. So we're gonna talk about this. So if I right click, come to the pop-up menu, and here we have got a sort by. Sort means to order. Okay, by what you want to order your icons: by name, by size, by item type, by date modified. What kind of order do you want? So the first one, if I want to make my icons, order my icons by name, it means from A to Z or from Z to A. I'm gonna use the name. So I want to make or order my icons from from A to Z. So just right click on a desktop, come to the sort by, and here click on name. So it is ordered from A to Z. It should be noticed that the system icons cannot be changed. So it's gonna be started from the user icon and until this one. So it is from A to Z, it's ordered. But if I want to order from Z to A, just simply right click on desktop, come to the pop-up menu, sort by, and click on the name again. So it is ordered from Z to A. Keep in mind this, that from A to Z, okay, order, it is called ascending, and from Z to A it's called descending. So the second we have got here the size. So I want my icons to to be ordered by size. What does mean by size? Like if I come here, right click on this application, show more options, properties. If I can see the size 144 MBs, and if I come to this application, not system icon, it cannot be changed. So user icon, right click, show more options, properties, and the size of this, come to general, it's 1.19 kbs. So it has got a little size, okay, and it's heavier than this one. So I want to order by size, like maybe the heaviest is gonna be the first, and the little, those applications have got like little size, it's gonna be the last one. So if right click it, come to the sort by and click the size. So it is changed. If I right click on this application, the shortcut of application, show more options, come to the properties and general, see this is 1.02 and 1.2 kbs. It is like it has got less than, like it's got so cheap size from all the applications. It is the heaviest in all applications. If I come here, we saw that it was 1.44 properties, it's 1.44 MBs. And if I come to second one, right click, show more options, properties, general, it's 2.29 kbs. So the heaviest is this application. So it's gonna be like the heavier, this one is gonna be the heavier than this one, this one is gonna be the heavier than this one, and until end. And you can change it also. It's the heaviest. I want the heaviest to be the last one. So right click it, come to the sort by in the size. So now here the heaviest and the last one. Hope you understand. More sort by, we have item type. What does mean by item type? Like if I come here, these are applications. We can see these are applications. These are system icons. I may have a document here, so let me have some folder also, 1 2 folder. I drag and drop, I bring this folder here and bring the last one here. These applications must be here, system icon must be here. So these are in different groups. I mean, like one system icon is here, the second one is here, like one folder is here. Here's we have applications, no, next one is here. So I want each icon to be in their own group, folders in their own group, softwares in their own group, system icons in their own group. Maybe I have got documents, it should be in their own group. So what you gonna do, simply right click, come to the sort by and click item type. So as we can see, the system icons are in their own group right now, the folders are their own group right now, and this is a setup is only, and more applications are their own group. So if you want to order your icons in their own groups, to be in their own groups or not, so you better choose the item type. So the last we have here, come to the sort by date modified. What does mean? Like it means that which icon was the first icon added in the desktop, and which icon is added recently. So if I come here, right click, sort by, in here date modified. So the first icon was the items icon, and the last icon is CapCut icon is installed lastly. Or yes, of course. So it did modify, it means like this, or maybe I wanna see changes like vice versa. So you're gonna come here, sort by, and did modified. Now it's the first, it's the first icon, and it's the last icon. And again we have the refresh here. You can refresh your computer, it's so good whenever you want to turn on your computer, so you better refresh it first, it's better. So today our lesson was the sort by, how to order your icons. The first one we can order by name, A to Z, Z to A, ascending, descending, by size, by item type, and by date modified, and also the refresh. Thank you very much for watching this video. For next lesson, please subscribe the channel and click the bell icon for my next video. And if you have any problem in your computer, please write in a comment, we're gonna have a video on that problem also. Thank you very much.